Minasan, konnichiwa! Welcome to my channel Nihon no Neko. I'm Daria and here we talk all about Japanese language learning. Today's video is about two Japanese expressions that seem very similar but can be very different, and that is kinisuru and kininaru. And if you're interested to learn more, then keep on watching. So first of all, let's look at the meaning. Kinisuru would be to mind, to worry about, sometimes to care about. Kininaru also would be to mind, to worry, to be on one's mind in a sense. But the difference is that kinisuru is most of the time is a negative nuance. Something bad is impacting you, and as a response to that you're kinisuru, kinishinai de, don't worry about it. Kininaru, on the other hand, could be both positive and negative. You can use kininaru as something is bothering you, but also you can use kininaru as you're thinking about something, you're craving something, and things like that. As well as when we talk about kinisuru, that's our reaction onto something. And so someone can tell you kinishinai de, don't worry about this, because that's internally you're reacting onto something. On the other hand, kininaru has more of a feeling of something that affects you, right? And so, kininaranai de is not something you would use. Kininaru dansei ga iru kedo, dou surebai ii? And so, you can say something like kininaru josei or kininaru dansei, meaning that someone you are interested in. That's not quite like or love, like daisuki, but it shows that you have interest in this person, you kind of care, you think about this person, you notice them here and there, and that would be kininaru josei, kininaru dansei, in terms of that you have some kind of feeling toward that person. And let's compare two quick examples here. そのコメントを気にしてしまった versus そのコメントが気になってしまった. In both cases, we talk about comments. However, in the first case, that would be more, that comment really got to me. I'm annoyed at this comment, I'm bothered by this comment, or something of that sort. Kininaru, on the other hand, is talking about, oh, that comment drew my attention. Oh, something was interesting about this comment. It is not necessarily a bad thing. It could be a bad thing, but not necessarily. And here, of course, you need to look at the bigger picture and bigger context of the same sentence. And very important grammatical difference here, with kinisuru, you would always use o before that. そのコメントを気にしてしまった. Versus when you use kininaru, that would be ga. そのコメントが気になってしまった. So important for you to remember. If you are interested in learning Japanese language and passing JLPT, make sure to check out these two videos right here. I'm Daria, I have a video every Sunday for you, and until then, じゃあね! 気になる男性がいるけど、どうすればいい?